Hi guys, welcome to my world. Okay, as you read from the title, I'll be doing the unboxing of the waxing machine. This one right here, I bought it on eBay. It's quite small because when you look on eBay it wouldn't really say that. Okay, it's not okay. Okay, I bought it from eBay. It was about £26, I'm not sure, but it seems like a good purchase because I did my research and totally think you should get this if you want to. But since I'm not going to use it in this video, the next video I do, hopefully I can give my experience, or I can do it on camera because I've grown out this hair over here and I am hoping to use this, so why not do it on camera, show you guys how much it hurts. I'm excited but not excited for the pain because apparently this hurts and I'm gonna do it myself. You can see how much we'll struggle, but I'm really excited to be doing it for you guys' sake, for my sake. So let's get into the video. I ordered the black version. I ordered the black version, but this is white, so I'm not sure. They got mixed up, but I'm not worried about that as long as I have the thing. So we'll see what it is. And it's supposed to come with beans, and I don't see any beans. That's the thing. They say the features: panel control by electronic is more durable and fashionable. A non-stick layer of inner pot, not easy to stick. The wax bean, that's good, it's not gonna stick, because imagine if you have to clean it. The temperature sensor directly decide the temperature of the inner pot. Okay, heating by bottom can melt. They made a mistake here. Okay, can melt more faster and more thoroughly. Controlled accurate temperature can help you avoid burning the skin by high temperature. Don't burn your skin, especially here. I don't know where you guys are planning to plug your hair out, but you know, I'm gonna be careful. It's always good to be careful. So yeah, it's apparently non-stick, which I'm excited about, and fashion and skincare. So guys, let's open this. Open this. Let's see. Can you guys see? As long as you see the item, I don't really care about if I'm not in it. I don't really care. Let's see. You know the sound when you make when you open the treasure. Shwa. Oh, what's this? A mini machine? Oh, this is the you'll when you melt the wax, you'll be using this to apply it on your skin. I bought extra, apparently they call it wax paper or something like that. I bought it, but it's not necessary. This is fine because you're just gonna spread it with this. Let's see what flavors we got. Hard wax beans, yeah. Those are the beans you're gonna put in the pot and melt. Guys, I'm so excited to use it. Deep highlighting. Oh, you get 4. Yeah. On the box it says 4, so you get 4. That is exciting. Okay, let's see what more we have here. This is the manual. here you can read the instructions. At least it gives you instructions. I'm not gonna be clueless, guys. And this is the magic. The magic right here. Let's take away this distraction. This is, oh, okay. Oh, it's so small. Such a baby. Such a baby. Okay, guys, this is the item. This is where you connect to the power cable. You put the power cable in there. And that's about it. If you want to carry it, you know, this is where you put the beans in. Put the beans in here and then it melts. I like the fact that it, you know, oh, hope it's not plastic, because it can melt through and burn. Fire alert. Okay, yeah, this is it, guys. This is the pot where you throw in the beans. It's small but handy. I mean, I don't think you get bigger than this, because I thought it was big when I ordered it. I thought it was supposed to be big, but this is the lid. Let's see how it looks without the lid. Okay, there you go. The little item. It's so small, portable. You can just carry it around. As long as you have, like, wherever you go, you have to have electricity so you can connect it. But it's small. You can just put it in your suitcase, carry it around wherever you want to go. Let's switch it on, guys. I'm not supposed to, but let's test it. Let's test it. Let's test it out. Do you say test it out? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see. I'm not gonna put in beans because I have to. So it's on. This is where you'll have the different options, the temperature, whatever the menu say, where you increase, decrease the temperature, solid, canned. Okay, this is the start button. So there it's on, off. Okay, at least now I know it works. Okay, guys, that's it for the unboxing of the waxing machine. I'm planning to use it, so you guys should stay tuned for that. If you want to see that video, do subscribe. This is about it. This is my little baby. It's about to become my best friend. Okay, I don't have hair that grows excessively. It's quite slow, so that's a good thing, because waxing plugs it out and then it takes a while to grow back. So I'm lucky to use this. I thought of buying a laser hair remover. I'm gonna buy it as well and try it. You know, you have to try different things. You never know what your body wants, so I'll buy that as well, and then we'll see how it works. We'll see which one I'll stick to, because I did research about both are different, so I did research about both, and hopefully, so next video you're gonna see me arms up in the air in pain, getting rid of this hair. So guys, that's about it. Like, what if you guys want me to make more, I don't know what type of videos, but I made a beauty channel, but I'm not sure when I'll post this, because I have a main channel where I just randomly post anything. Doesn't have a, because when people want to subscribe to your channel, they want to see, they subscribe to your channel because they saw your traveling videos. Maybe they're interested in travel or beauty tips. They're interested in, now if you make random videos, it just doesn't make sense. But I mean, what can I do? But I'll post it on both channels, on my beauty channel and on my main channel, and you know, we'll see about it, guys. Bum bum bum. Basketball. But I'm excited, guys. Next video, it's gonna be me wax. I can't wait to wax, guys. My hair is not that long, but I mean, I can't wait. I just can't wait. I mean, I bought a machine. Obviously, I'm supposed to be excited. Just like same, you bought a new shoe. Oh, I should do a shoe haul, a shoe try on haul. Ah, that doesn't make sense. I should do a clothes try on haul. Thinking of doing a clothes try on haul. So guys, yeah, it's, I don't know how many minutes I've been recording, but I am out of here. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the machine. Let me make what do you call it? Thumbnail. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Just make a screenshot of whatever. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed it, and you know, the next video you're gonna see me slicing up this hair. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, support my channel, support my growth. And I mean, this pandemic, it's been about self-love, so I've been doing a lot of self-love, me time, and it feels good. Oh, and I forgot, I bought this after wax cream. I'm not sure how good it is, but the fact that it had aloe vera in it, I believe in aloe vera. The fact that it had aloe vera in it, I believe in it. I'm gonna use it. So yeah, that's about it guys. See you in the next video. Oh, time out. Did you subscribe? You better have subscribed. Hey, you better subscribe. Okay, let me be nice. Please subscribe. Please. Thank you so much. You're so beautiful. I don't know, would a guy watch this? Whatever. You're so handsome. Enjoy.